I love this question. You don't have to sew women's wear. You can sew whatever the hell you like. More men are wanting to sew, and I can see that just from the followers on my account. In fact, in one of my in-person classes, I have 2 gents on it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a pathway that you might take if you're wanting to sew menswear. My name is V Tanner. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. Bookmark this so you can come back to it later. The first thing that I recommend that you start sewing is what I get my learners to do in my in-person class, and that's to make an apron, just a simple garment like this, because it helps you practice doing curved edges and hems and turning things inside out like the pocket. Do it in a nice sturdy cotton fabric. Don't choose any stretch fabric. Don't choose anything that's got any obvious patterns like plaids or checkers, or something that's got an obvious direction where the things are have to be hung in a particular way, because then you'll have extra problems like pattern matching to deal with, and at this stage you don't want to be worrying about pattern matching. Next, you want to progress onto something like a tunic style top that hasn't got a collar and there's no sleeves, and again it's just to practice sewing seams that are nice and even. Make sure you choose a fabric again that is not stretched. It needs to be woven, something like a cotton or a poly cotton, and something that doesn't have any obvious patterns to match like checkers or stripes. Then with each project that you do, try and add a trickier element, like it could be sleeves for the next one, or a collar for the next one, or maybe you want to try pants but try an elasticated version like pajama pants first. Whatever you choose to sew, you do need to master some very basic sewing skills and being able to use your sewing machine, and that's where my Sew Like a Pro kit comes in. My Sew Like a Pro kit consists of 9 masterclasses where I've collated everything that I normally teach in an in-person class, and also what I've been sharing here online. These are the essential skills that you will need in order to create a garment that looks professional. Sew Like a Pro kit is on pre-sale at the moment for £7. The regular price is going to be £99. I'm holding the pre-sale price up until the 16th of October. The kit itself will be dropped on the 31st of October. Link is in my bio, or head on over to www.sewingteacher.co.uk/sew like a pro. Let me know if you've got any questions.